These are the components of the Smartplay mat. We'll put them together now. The mat base, plastic arcs, toys, pillow, and a bag with balls. Fold away the base and make it flat. Attach the plastic arcs. You will find 4 attachment loops on the upper side right here. Attach the hooks at the end of the arch using the loops. That's right, like this. Now connect both plastic arcs using this ring. The next step is to attach the toys. Attach them using the hook and loop fasteners on the loops. There are 7 toys. A wheel-shaped teether, a leaf-shaped teether, a rustling booklet, a mirror, a squeaky cheetah, an elephant rattle, a wheel with rattling balls. Before putting on the mirror, remove the film. The toys can be arranged in any way you like, or you can attach them to the base of the playmat using the loops. By moving the ring, you can adjust the plastic arcs, so keeping the toys close to the child or adjusting the free space over the child. It's very useful when your baby grows a little. To convert the playmat into a comfortable play area, disconnect the hooks from the plastic arcs and attach them to the base of the playmat. There are 4 loops on the base. Attach the hooks the same way they were attached at the top. To raise the mesh walls of the play area, use the hook and loop fasteners. What's important, these hook and loop fasteners are safe for infants. Do the same at all 4 corners of the playmat. A few quick moves and your playmat has become a comfortable playpen, where your baby can play safely. Want to put the playmat away or prepare it for moving, take off all the toys. Disconnect the hooks from the plastic arcs, roll up the mat, and all set.